Time to turn on the Quizatron.
Quizatron 9000.
We got 5 more questions here. You can record your answers and check them against the answers in the solutions video at the end of the chapter. Question 1. Which modules will allow you to keep form submissions in the database? Check all that apply. A. Contact storage. B. Contact. C. Block menu. And D. Mail log. Question 2. You can add a menu as a block by default. True or false? Question 3. Contact forms are entities. True or false? Question 4. What can you do to change the location of a menu block? Check all that apply. A. Go to the block layout page, edit a block and change its region. B. Click a quick edit link and drag the block to a new region. C. Go to the block layout page and drag a block to the new region. And D. Click a quick edit link on the block and edit the region in the edit form. And question 5. Which features does the contact module include by default? A. The ability to set a page to redirect upon submission. B. The ability to preview submissions before sending. C. The ability to set which email address gets sent the submission. And D. The ability to change the text of the submit button.